VitaHealth stands at the forefront of the healthcare industry, focusing on innovative wellness solutions. This year marks our 77th anniversary, and we are proud to introduce Offline 16 together with Tropicana. Aligned with our ESG goals, we are committed to raise mental health awareness and inspire everyone to unplug and recharge.
At Tropicana, we started our sustainable journey centered around 8 development DNAs and 3 ESG pillars, namely people, planet, and partnership. With this in mind, we respect the well-being of our people as we believe mental health should be valued, promoted, and protected.
As Tropicana continues to build sustainable township across Malaysia, we emphasize to stay on track with our ESG commitments.
Aligned with Tropicana's mantra of redefining the art of living, we are very pleased to initiate this Offline 16 event with VitaHealth Malaysia. This is a very good platform to promote holistic well-being.
When we talk about health, we always think of physical health. While physical health does play an important role in keeping our bodies in shape and functioning properly, mental wellness is equally important to maintain and achieve a healthy and happy lifestyle.
We recognize that mental health issues may arise from various factors, including the overlooked impact of digital usage. Give your mind a break.
Offline 16 is a fun and meaningful event for mental wellness, so I'm really looking forward to it. Let's disconnect and play badminton together.